Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is another review of this pair here, and this one is the updated version. Factory make this pair in the best condition, and today I got this pair again. So you can first let me show the service. You can look, this is the fixed version service. Very beautiful and also very colorful, so you can check around it, not the normal Nike SB Dunk, those service. So you can look how beautiful of this one, and also little big. You can check all around it. Also very good quality of this service, and check out the size level, and also have something paste here, so you can look eating, so you can look how beautiful. And in the service you can check out. Okay. And also about the tissue paper, also is different. One is the white and another one is the brown, and also got the something green layer. This is the eating list. Got so many kinds of eating. Now let me show the shoes. This is very beautiful, very colorful shoes. Let me show every angle. You can look from here. The four bows got a different pattern and different colors on the bows. You can check out these two parts got a different material. This is the gray suede, and another one got the this is the leather. It's the brown color. So got a different color and a different material. And then let me show both shoe tom. Also got different color laces. This is the white, and another is the black, including the shoe tom. Got a different color and a different colors. Yes. So you can look how special of this pair. And I got another pair that is also with different colors, green and this is another kind color. And then let me show both. You can look at both sides. Both sides you can look different colors and different material, and also different pattern. This is the silver Nike shoes. Is the leather. So you can check out this whole side, the pattern and the material, and then the other one got a different. So you can look, they are different material, and here got a logo here. And check both inner side also got different, so please check out. You can check on every details. They are very good. Factory cost much time to fix this one, and also the back side. And on the top got the letters. This is the Chinese means eat. And both button also different color, including the inside also with different colors. You can see, and also on the shoe point, different color and a different pattern. So the whole pair, both sides got a different colors and a different material, and the different pattern. How special of this one! Very colorful. And then now let me show this pair on foot. So please check out. Very beautiful one. Okay, so that's all for my today's review here. If you want to copy this one, please don't forget to check out our website. Thanks for seeing you next video. Bye bye.